I want to show you something which is quite exciting. With our Lumega AI model, we are able to manufacture LED inserts which is fitted perfectly into existing luminaires. We can do that with all types of luminaires, and I want to show you this perfect example of something which is just amazing. First of all, we have an old Glamox luminaire, a high quality luminaire with a really nice basically look, and it is typically used for schools, office buildings, and a lot of other places. What we have done here is that we have a situation where we have two fluorescent tubes, and then we have the reflector. So we looked more into the reflector and found out the way that it was actually installed through the exact type of click system. And there is areas here, there's brackets on each side, which is used for that purpose. Now, the model that the AI model has come up with some different choices, and we have chosen one which really gives some great advantages, which I want to point out now. So the result is this type of LED insert. You can get this type of LED insert with different reflectors. Now, this has a really low UGR, and the UGR for this is around 14, which is great for schools because you have a great environment having that low UGR. Aside of that, the lumen per watt is extremely high. We have 164, which is, that's just, so to say, amazing, which also means that the energy savings is quite high compared to T5 fluorescent tubes. What we have done here is use the chrome reflector. We can also use white, we can use black, we can use silver, depends on the project. But the lenses inside here is the lenses that really keeps the UGR low. On the side, I will not show that now in this video, but on the side we have the clips which are totally fitted into the luminaire, which means that we can just click this type of LED insert directly into the existing luminaire, and the driver is easily installed on this area where the existing ballast is installed. We have the same holes, so to say, so the distance between the holes is the same, so the driver is installed really fast. Then we have a click system. There is connecting the LED insert with the driver, and the installation time, I want to hold my horses a little bit, but it's only 7 minutes. And this 7 minutes is great when it comes to having a low return on investment, and it's also great for the end customer because the cost for replacing the old fluorescent tube with LEDs is really low compared to installation of a new luminaire. So overall, a really interesting setup. Lastly, I want to say that for a specific project that we have right now, they have DALI wires connected, but with the old DALI system. But what we can do is that we can add a little sensor, a Casambi sensor here, but it can also be other sensors. But the Casambi sensor in this project here is daylight sensing, and it's also movement sensing. This Casambi sensor that is installed in this area here will be able to manage up to 10 luminaires. So you can either just use one sensor, and then you have the two wires for DALI connecting to the other 10 luminaires, and those 10 LED inserts, like luminaires, only have DALI 2. So that is a great way to save money as well for the end customer, and that is just something I wanted to point out here. Other than that, you can use Casambi, you can use DALI 2, you can use tunable white, and a lot of other options. But the most common choices that we see right now for these type of LED inserts is just a steady Kelvin. It can be 3000, 4000 Kelvin, and then we normally deliver with a high CRI, which is 90. So just an example, a really great example of how our AI model for LED retrofit is working well. Installation time lowest in the world right now, and you can basically do that with all types of luminaires.